How to see all installed programs on Windows 11. Method 1. Using the Start menu. Click on the Start menu button. Click All in the top right corner of the Start menu. You will see an alphabetical list of all installed applications and programs. Scroll through the list to find out what you are looking for. Method 2. Using Settings. Right-click on the Start menu. Select Settings. Click on Apps in the Settings window. Select Installed Apps from the right hand. This will display a list of all installed apps and programs. Make sure to select all drives in Filter By option to see all programs. Method 3. Using File Explorer. Open File Explorer on the address bar, type this command. Then press Enter. This will display a list of all installed programs. Method 4. Using Control Panel. Click on Start menu, search for Control Panel in the Windows search bar, and open it. Make sure the Control Panel is set to view by large icons in the upper right corner. Then look for Programs and Feature. Click on it. This will display a list of all installed programs. Method 5. Using Command Prompt. Click on Start menu, search for CMD in the search bar. Select Run as Administrator. Type this following command and press Enter. This will display a list of installed programs with their names and versions. And that's how you can see all installed programs on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.